Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter Employment and Unemployment from Unit 2nd, Current Challenges of Indian Economy. So let's start from topic types of unemployment. The first point is rural unemployment. In rural area there are two types of unemployment. The first is seasonal unemployment and the second is disguised unemployment. And if we're talking about urban unemployment, there are three types of unemployment. The first is industrial unemployment, second educated unemployment, and the third technological unemployment. And if we're talking about other types of unemployment, so first is open unemployment, second frictional unemployment, third structural unemployment, and fourth cyclical unemployment. So let's start from first point, rural unemployment. Seasonal unemployment, it occurs when the people are unemployed at a particular time of the year. It means the people are unemployed only for few months in a year, not for a year. The people are unemployed for few months in a year is known as seasonal unemployment. In this type of unemployment, the demand of labor is lowest at that time. Second, disguised unemployment. In this situation, more people are engaged in a work than required. It means suppose we have 1 hectare of land and the requirement of labor is 10, but the labor are working 14. So the 4 labor who is extra is known as disguised unemployment. And now it's very important point, in this type of unemployment the marginal productivity of labor become 0. Why? Because more people are engaged in a work than required. Industrial unemployment, it means those workers who are illiterate but they are able and willing to work in industries, in factories, but can't get a job, known as industrial unemployment. Unemployment, when a pupil is educated and is not able to find a stable job. It means there are many people who are graduate, postgraduates, but there are limited job opportunities. So this situation is created, known as educated unemployment. Technological unemployment. Technological unemployment is the loss of job caused by technical change. It means due to increase in technology, the skill and job are replaced by machinery, known as technological unemployment. And if we're talking about other types of unemployment, the first is open unemployment. In open unemployment, the workers are able and willing to work, but there is no work, known as open unemployment. Second, frictional unemployment. When a worker moving from one job to another, it means when people are moving from one job to other job, known as frictional unemployment. And in frictional unemployment, people are moving because due to better job and growth opportunities or for better salaries. Third, structural unemployment. Due to technical change, it's related to technical unemployment. Due to technical change, rather than the fluctuation in supply and demand in a economy. At last, cyclical unemployment. It is a type of unemployment which is related to the cyclical trend in the industry or business cycle. If economy is doing good, cyclical unemployment will be at lowest, and if a economy start decline, start fall, the cyclical unemployment will be highest. So it's types of. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest video. Thanks for watching.